Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel English Language and Literature. In this lecture we will study or learn about learning and remembering. These are two approaches. Learning happens when we are able to implement the concept. Remembering means we can recall the concept and we may not be able to implement the concept. For implementation, remembering is needed along with desire, attitude to implement, which drives us to put the effort in implementation. For example, we may remember as to how to do organic farming from the tutorials that we had seen on YouTube, but we may not be doing the farming unless and until we do the organic farming on our own. We don't know whether we have learned it or not. Now learn about the learning. What is learning? Learning is the process of gathering knowledge is called learning. Learning is the process of acquiring new or modifying our existing knowledge, behaviors, skill, value or preferences. Some learning is immediate. Learning may occur consciously or without conscious awareness. Now remembering. Remembering may refer to recall, memory, the retrieval of events or information from the past. It is also known as the recall of the mind by an act or effort of memory. And it is also known as think of again something, that is known as remembering.